Genesis chapter 1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth didn't have any shape, and it was empty. There was darkness over the surface of the wave. At that time, the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God saw the light was good. He separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, he called the darkness night. There was evening and there was morning. It was day 1. God said, "Let there be a huge space between the waters, and let it separate water from water." And that's exactly what happened. God made the huge space between the waters. He separated the waters under the space from the water above it. God called the huge space sky. There was evening and there was morning. It was day 2. God said, "Let the waters under the sky be gathered into one place. Let dry ground appear," and that's exactly what happened. God called the dry ground land. He called all the waters that was gathered together sea, and God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the land produce plants. Let them produce their own seeds, and let there be trees on the land that grow fruits with seeds in it. Let each kind of plant or tree have its own kind of seeds," and that's exactly what happened. So the land produced plants. Each kind of plant had its own kind of seeds, and the land produced trees that grew fruit with seeds in it. Each kind of tree had its own kind of seeds. God saw that it was good. There was evening and there was morning. It was day 3. God said, "Let there be light in the huge space of the sky. Let them separate the day from the night. Let the light set the time for the holy celebrations, and the days and the years. Let them be light in the huge space of the sky to give light on the earth." And that's exactly what happened. God made 2 great lights. He made the larger light to rule over the day and the smaller light to rule over the night. He also made the stars. God put the light in the huge space of the sky to give light on the earth. He put them there to rule over the day and the night. He put them there to separate light from darkness. God saw that it was good. There was evening and there was morning. It was day 4. God said, "Let the seas be filled with living things. Let birds fly above the earth across the huge space of the sky." So God created the great sea creatures. He created every kind of living things that fills the sea and moves above in them. He created every kind of bird that flies, and God saw that it was good. God blessed them. He said, "Have little ones so that there will be many of you. Fill the waters in the seas. Let there be more and more birds on the earth." There was evening and there was morning. It was day 5. God said, "Let the land produce every kind of living creatures. Let there be livestock and creatures that move along the ground and wild animals." And that's exactly what happened. God, God, God made every kind of wild animals. He made every kind of livestock. He made every kind of creatures that move along the ground. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let us make human beings so that they're like us. Let them rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky. Let them rule over the livestock and all the wild animals, and let them rule over all the creatures that move along the ground." So God created human being in his own likeness. He created them to be like himself. He created them as male and female. God blessed them. He said to them, "Have children, so that there will be many of you. Fill the earth and bring it under your control. Rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky. Rule over every living creature that moves along the ground." Then God said, "I'm giving you every plant on the face of the whole earth that produces its own seeds. I'm giving you a tree that has fruit with seeds in it. All of them will be given to you. I am giving every green plant as food for all the land animals and for all the birds in the sky. I'm also giving the plants to all the creatures that move all along the ground. I'm giving them to every living thing that breathes." And that's exactly what happened. God saw everything he had made, and it was very good. There was evening and there was morning. It was 6 days. So the heavens and the earth and everything in them were complete. By the seventh day, God had finished the work he had been doing, so on that day he rested from all his works. God blessed the seventh day and made it holy. He blessed it because on that day he rested from all the works he had done. Thank you.